Are you wondering how to set up MySQL in your machine? Well, this video will certainly help you do that. But before that, we welcome you to our YouTube channel. So, let's begin with our installation process. We are using the Ubuntu system. You can use any system like Windows, Mac, etc. First of all, we have to open the command terminal. And here I am going to write a simple command to install MySQL on my Ubuntu 19.0.4. Alright, so I'm gonna write here, sudo apt-get install. Then I'm gonna write here MySQL server. And I'm gonna hit enter. And then it is going to ask me for the password. So, I'm going to type in my password and it would start to install it. Now, it would ask me, do I want to continue or not? So I will press Y and hit enter, because I want to continue, right? So, now it would start to install it. So, it would further process it. And after installation, I'm going to show you that how you can perform different steps on it. So, right now the next step would be that it would show us some sort of window probably to set up the password. Alright, we will wait for that. Okay, so, now once you are through this, now you can see that it has not given us an option to set the password of MySQL. Right, so what you can do is that you can manually do such stuff. But before that, let me just clear the terminal first. So, I clear it. And then I write here, sudo MySQL. And then I write here secure installation. Okay, now I hit enter. You can see it says press Y for yes and any other key for no. Obviously, I will press Y, because I want to validate the password right. So, I hit Y. Now, it says that what kind of password you want to pick. Like, please enter 0 for low, 1 for medium, and 2 for strong password, right? So I'd pick up just 0. Okay, so, after pressing 0, let me just clear it. It says, please set the new password for root. So, for root, I would like to set the password and confirm the password. And it says the estimated strength of the password is 25. Yes, that's enough for me. So, it says do you wish to continue with the password provided? I will say yes. So, for that, I press Y, I move on. It says remove anonymous users. So I will press Y and hit enter. It says disallow root login remotely. Right? So yes, I want to disallow. But let's say you disallow here and in the future, in case you want to allow it again, then you have to run this command again, sudo MySQL secure installation. And then you can come here down to this step and then you can actually allow this root login remotely. Okay, so, I hope you've got the point. So, now you press Y, and go ahead. It's safe to move the test database and access it. Yes. Remove all of them. So, it will say reload privilege tables now. So, I say yes. And, now you can say it says all done. So, now what we would do? We would write here, sudo MySQL -u and then we write here root. And we hit enter. And, now you can see that we have entered into MySQL. Okay, now what we can do is that we can write here like, let's say we write here show databases, and we put a semicolon here. Hit enter. And, you can see that these are the 4 tables that are already there. Okay, so, let's say that if you want to create a new database. So what you would do? You would write create a database. Let's say Linux hint. Okay, so I hit enter. And obviously, I forgot to put a semicolon, so you can see that it says, query. Okay, 1 row affected. So, remember that after this line, you have to put a semicolon right here. I forgot to put it right here. So, it gives me something like this. And then I had to put in the semicolon, and then it actually executed it correctly. So, now let's go ahead, and see that what is there. Okay, so, I put a semicolon. And you can see that basically a new database has been created. Okay, and it has been added to our table. So I hope you have got the point. So, that was it with the installation of MySQL on Linux Ubuntu. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye, enjoy your day.